In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put grades in Google Sheets on desktop. First, let's talk about how to organize your spreadsheet for clarity and efficiency before diving into the grading itself. Begin by opening up a new Google Sheet on your desktop. Once you've set that up, you'll want to kick things off by entering your students' names in the first column. This helps to keep everything organized and lets you quickly scroll through the list without getting lost in the numbers. Next, in the column right beside the names, you're going to input your students' scores or percentages. This data is crucial because it's what you'll use to calculate the grades. By aligning the names with their respective scores or percentages, you create a clear and simple layout that will make the grading process easier to manage. Now let's move on to the exciting part: assigning grades. Click on an empty cell where you'd like the first grade to appear. This is important because the reference point you choose will be used to apply grades throughout the entire list. Next, you'll want to use a formula that takes the score and converts it into a letter grade. The formula you'll enter goes like this: IF B2 90, A IF B2 80, B IF B2 70, C IF B2 60, D F. This formula checks each student's score and assigns a letter grade based on a typical grading scale, where 90 and above is an A and so forth. After typing in the formula, simply hit the Enter key. At that moment, you should see the grade appear in the cell right next to the student's score. This is the moment of truth where you see the power of spreadsheets in action, categorizing data into meaningful outcomes. But you don't have to enter the formula for every single student, thank goodness for that. Instead, you can use a nifty feature called the fill handle to copy the formula for all students instantly. To do this, click on the cell with the grade you just calculated. You'll notice a small square at the bottom right corner of that cell. Click and hold the square, then drag it down through all the student rows you want to grade. Releasing the mouse button will magically apply the formula to each row, automatically grading every student based on their scores. And there you have it. Each student now has a corresponding grade based on their performance. This method is not only efficient, but ensures consistency across the board. And that's how you put grades in Google Sheets on a desktop. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy grading!